Temperatures rising this week, as indeed is the humidity. By the end of the week, some of us could see temperatures of 33 Celsius.
Well, love it or loathe it, a heat wave is on the way this week, and temperatures, at least across England, are expected to widely reach 30 degrees Celsius by Wednesday. And as you can imagine, the heat is coming in from the south, spreading across much of Europe. So it's not just us. Many other countries will be feeling the heat, and the hot air will also reach Scandinavia, where incidentally in the last couple of weeks temperatures have been very high, in fact approaching.
It's sunny and I'm meant to be doing essay work. I feel like we should do something different today. Where should we go today, Obadiah? Obi! Where should we go today? We could go to the Botanical Gardens. We're here at the Botanical Gardens. First time ever being here, and the sun is shining. It's really, really hot. We've already had, well, I've had 2 magnums. You had 1.
Yeah.
Becky doesn't enjoy being on camera. But it's beautiful round here. Take a look at some of the stuff we've seen. I don't know if other parents have this, but every time we try and go out to take Obadiah somewhere new, the same thing happens. Actually, no matter where we go, he's constantly asleep every time we go somewhere nice and pretty. So he's now going to miss out on all of this until he wakes up. Just seen some of the wildlife here. Check this out. Do you not like the birds?
I don't like that. It scares me, I don't like
It seems pretty tame,
it. No,
doesn't it?
no.
I don't know, it didn't seem to be...
That could rip you in half.
Yeah, but it seemed more afraid of me than I did of it.
I'm not going near it.
You seem pretty friendly.
No, I don't like it. It's coming towards me.
It's actually miles away. That's it, way off in the distance over there, by the door. I wonder why he's standing guard at the front door.
Because I think you can walk through there.
And he doesn't want people to.
No. What does it say?
I don't know. Why don't you want people to walk through, Mr. Bird? That's so cool. It's like he's staying near all the other birds that are here. Some parrots and everything in here as well. The thing is, Becky's just not a big bird lover. That's why we've come to the bird sanctuary bit. Here's a nice bird. Becky likes this one. It's behind a cage. Hello, my friend. Hello. Where's this one? Door's open, must have been feeding it. Is there any more around here? These ones are more like budgies than the next one.
Bird?
Oh! It's the lovebird.
Oh, I don't make that much noise.
It's a lovebird. Originally there were only 2 in there, but then the lovebird nature kicked in. There's now hundreds of them. Look at that. Yeah, I really don't think the camera's going to pick it up. There's actually loads in that little hut thing. Loads of them.
Welcome to my house.
I don't know what's meant to be in this greenhouse.
I don't know, it's full of rocks.
It's just rocks and webs. I don't know if there's meant to be more in here. So that's our day at Botanical Gardens done. It was a nice fun way to spend a nice hot day, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Beats sitting at home bored doing essay work, which is what I should have been doing.
It's a nice place.
It is a nice place, would recommend.